Guys, Lego Nation here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego pistol that doesn't shoot. This is part 1. This is how to build the grip. First, you need a 2x6 right here. 2x6, and you're going to need a flat 1x2. You need 2 of those, like this. Set those aside. And then you're going to need a 2x2 right here. See that? 2x2. And you're going to need 2 slanted pieces. And you're going to put it right next to the flat piece. Now, you're going to need a 1x4. Set that aside. Now, get another 1x4. 2 slanted pieces, a flat 2x2 on a 2x2, and 2 more slanted pieces on a 2x4. And you're just going to place it like that. And then take this, place it there, grab that. Take your 2x4s, place them here, here, and this right here. Now, you're going to need this 2x4 with 2 slanted pieces, a 1x2 with a flat piece on top. Set that aside. And now you're going to need 2 3x2s with slanted pieces, 1x2 with a flat piece on top. Go like that. Set that aside again. And you got that. Oops. Let me show you how to build this first. Go like this. Go like that. Okay. Now you're going to need a flat 2x2 and a flat 1x2 on top of a 2x3. And you're going to need 2 2x3s with flat pieces on each side. You can just place them right here. Like that. It's right there. Like the video, comment, and subscribe.